This is shocksquatch. What he looked like when he was battling alongside Generator Rex. I have no idea why they added a reboot to Generator Rex in the first place. This new alien is from a crossover that I never thought would... From a crossover that I considered one of my favorites. Well, I haven't really gotten to watch it, but I'll watch it sooner than later. Anyway, let's get started on drawing him, huh? Now here's the bolt underneath his chin. Here's the Omnitrix. There we are. Now we just draw the lower half. Now here's his pelt. Much like the regular shocksquatch, this guy has electricity powers. Hope you guys still are fans of Ben 10. I still am. I know I haven't been really doing much of the Ben 10 playlist. Don't worry, guys. There's gonna be more Ben 10 stuff coming your way. That's a promise. Anyway, that is how you draw a shocksquatch. Well, from the Generator Rex crossover. Huh. And I already did it done in just 3 minutes. Not bad. And I did it right before my battery went out. Good thing for shocksquatch, his batteries never go out. Stegosaurus, see you later.